In case you missed it, here are the main technical takeaways from BubbleCon. Number one, and who could miss it? We have got a native, meaning publishable to the iOS and the Google Play app stores. We have a native mobile app builder coming some point next year in 2024. This is hugely exciting. This has been the number one request on the feature request board for Bubble for many years now, and it appears like it's going to be separate to the web app page builder, although it'll be able to interact with the same database. This is going to be incredible because you'll be able to use one platform, Bubble, to build both amazing web apps and amazing mobile apps. Now, there are a couple of other features that are worth highlighting, such as the AI-powered page design builder. They demoed that in the keynotes. Well worth going to check out some of their videos on their website. Basically, they're going to use AI to seriously speed up the web app development process. And they're also working on bulk data operations. I'd say one of the number one scalability issues that I discuss with people on Bubble coaching calls is, can you manipulate 100 records? Well, yes, you can. 1,000, 10,000 starts to become a little bit more difficult. Looks like that is on Bubble's roadmap and they are working towards it. What feature are you looking for in Bubble? What would be the number one thing that would make all the difference to you in maybe building your idea or bringing your app to life? Leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you.